Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics, and we are given a problem on the board. This is geometry that we are given. And if this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit from this. This is a challenging and geometric problem that we are given. Now, let's get to look at it. We have to find the value of x. This is the value of x that we have to find. Now, if you want to find the value of x, now let's solve this one at a time for everybody to understand. We say, let's say you calculate another angle. Let's say this is angle A. If this is angle A, it means, or we can also say if this is angle A, we can also say this is angle B. Or we know angle A and B, they are equal. The reason being, we say A is equal angle B. The reason being, we say base angle of an isosceles. We say base angle of isosceles triangle. That is the reason they are equal. Therefore, if A is equal to B, just like B is also equal to A. Then let's try to find also this angle. Let's say this is angle C. Okay, if this is angle C and we want to find angle C, then we say C plus A plus B, everything becomes 180 degrees. The reason being, sum of angles in a triangle, adding these three interior angles, they equal to 180 degrees. The reason being, we say sum of angles in a triangle. That is the reason. Then after which, but remember, if A is equal to B, just like B also is equal to A, therefore we say C plus A, everything becomes 180 degrees. Then we want to find C. We say C plus A giving you 2A is equal to 180 degrees. Then if you want to find C, this 2A is moving to this other point. Then we say C then becomes 180 minus 2A. So let's say this is the value of C that we just find. Now, similarly, let's look at this other point. This and this is an isosceles triangle. If this is M, we can also say this is N. We know M and N, they are equal. And if they are equal, we say similarly, let's just say similarly, we say similarly, if M is equal, we say M is equal to N. If M is equal to N, just like N also is equal to M. The reason being, they are isosceles triangle. We say isosceles triangle. Okay, then let's try to find another angle from this point. We calculate, we say let this be angle C. Okay, if this is angle C, then you want to find this one. The same thing implies you need to add these three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. Then we say M plus N plus P, everything becomes 180 degrees. The reason being, we say sum of angles in a triangle. That's the reason. Then after which, but remember, if M is equal to N, just like N is equal to M, then we say M plus T, everything becomes 180 degrees. Then M plus M giving you 2M plus T, then everything becomes 180 degrees. But remember, you want to find the value of T. Then we say T then becomes 180 minus 2M. So this is the value of T that we want to find. Okay, but like, let's just recall that everything we are required to find the value of X. Then let's look at the big triangle now. Let's say this is triangle T arc C. Let's look at the big triangle now. Now the big triangle, we are having similarly, let's consider the big triangle. That is triangle T arc C. We are having this symbol as you are seeing symbolize 90 degrees. And this is C, this is T. Then we say 90 plus T plus C, everything becomes 180 degrees. The reason being, sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, that is the reason also, because they are interior angles. This T and C, they are interior angles. Then let's try to add also. We are having T plus C. Everything becomes 180 minus 90. Then T plus C becomes 180 minus 90, giving you 90 degrees. Okay, now so we are having T plus C becomes 90 degrees. But like, let's just recall that. We can say finally, let's say finally, we are given T. What is the value of T that we are given? We have T as 180 minus 2m. We say 180 minus 2m. And we are having C also as 180 minus 2a. We say C becomes 180 minus 2a. Now let's just know that we have to find the value of x. Okay, now the next step, let's substitute now. We are having T as 180 minus 2m and we are having C as 180 minus 2a. Then it continues from this point. Then we substitute. We are having 180 minus 2m plus 180 minus 2a. Everything becomes 90 degrees. Okay, now after which we just need to add and subtract where necessary. Then we say we are having minus 2m minus 2a. Then everything becomes 90. When this one is moving, I'm gonna have minus. We know adding 180 plus 180. Adding these two numbers, you must have your calculator. Having 180, you say 180 plus 180, giving you 360 degrees. This one becomes minus 360 degrees. Then factorize this one. If you are factorizing, what is common terms here? You say minus 2. Okay, and so what remains is m plus a. Okay, everything becomes, now if you are subtracting 90 minus 360, we say 90 minus 360, you are going to have 270. This becomes minus 270 degrees. But like, we want to find m plus a, then we just need to divide both sides by minus 2. We divide by minus 2. This cancels this. Then what remains is m plus a. Everything becomes 270 divided by 2. Now let's divide and know what we are going to do next. We say m plus a becomes 270 plus 2, giving you 135. Now we have m plus a as 135. But like, we have to find m plus a, we have to find the value of x. Now if you want to find the value of x, it's very simple now from this point. Remember, if you're adding b plus x plus n is equals 180 degrees. You say b plus x plus n, everything becomes 180 degrees. The reason being, we say angles on ST line, meaning angles on straight line. Then from this point, remember, if b plus x plus n is equals to 180, but like we're having b, from this point, if b is equals a, just like a is equals b. The same. If c is equals, if m is equals n, just like n also is equals m. Therefore, we substitute now. We are having b plus n as 135 plus x. Everything becomes 180 degrees. Then we say x now becomes 180 minus 135. Then the value of x automatically becomes 45 degrees respectively. So this is the value of x that we have to find from this challenging geometry problem. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share for others to benefit from this. Okay.